the mask, you can see that there is a band here. So this is where it's supposed to come up. So let me demonstrate it by wearing it. This is how people wear the mask. People who wear the mask like this, it's a no-no. Some others also wear it like this because they'll be talking to someone, and sis, that is the reason why you're wearing face masks. Hello everyone, Akwaba to my channel. My name is Benedicta, but you can call me Benny for short. Yeah, so today I am here with another video, and today's video is going to be a little bit of educational. Did I just say a little bit? No, it's going to be educational, full stop. So today's video is going to be about how to wear our masks properly. So I asked a question. Okay, a friend actually reached out to me before I asked the question on Instagram and was like, Benny, since you have this YouTube channel, use this platform to educate people on how to wear their masks, because a lot of people do not know how to wear their masks and they are wearing them wrongly. I told her, yeah, I'm going to do this video, but I still went on Instagram to also get more ideas about what I should do on my YouTube channel. So she came again and she was like, please do a video on how people should wear their masks properly. So today I decided to do it. It's not like I was not going to do it, but I decided to do it because I had other content I had to put out. Yeah, so Audrey, thank you for helping me to create a content on my, or giving me a content idea of what I should post on my YouTube channel. So please, if you don't follow me on my Instagram, please do go and follow me at Bennygram on Instagram, so that if I ask any question, please you can answer. Because sometimes, you know, I don't have to do the content myself. Maybe the content I think people will watch, they do not actually watch. So I want what you want me to, you know, create and put on my YouTube channel, so that you can also watch and have fun and also learn something. Yeah, it's like a job. You go to an office and you do what you expect people, like the customers are right. Like, yeah, the customers are always right. So you do what the customer wants. So that is what I want to know, what kind of content you want me to put out here. So I don't do anything that I think you want to watch but you will not watch. Yeah, so that is simply it. Yeah, so before I start, if you are new on my channel, thank you, Akwaba, and please don't just leave. Join the family. Like, join the family. We are fun to be with. Yeah, so join the family by subscribing to my channel and hitting on the bell down below to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know you are the real MVP. Kudos to you, and I love you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you are interested to know how to wear your face mask properly, then please don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and I will be right back. Thank you for sticking by, and let's get right into the video. Yeah, so let me get my nose masks ready. I have them just here. So I have only two types, and that is what I'm going to demonstrate here. But I think if you buy the others, you can also use these steps to, you know, apply and, you know, wear the mask. So actually the one that has a lot of problems is the surgical one, and this is it. And with this, a lot of people do not know how to wear it, so I am going to start with this one. This is the surgical mask, and this is the normal mask. Like, yeah, so I'm going to start with it. So I take it out from the, you know, the rubber. Yeah, So I'm not, okay, disclaimer, let me put this out here. I am not a medical doctor, I am not a nurse, neither am I a medical personnel, but hey, we have done our research and we know what we are talking about. So but if you think I did or said anything that does not make sense to you, please comment in the comment section and let's discuss. We are all here to learn. Yeah, so please, if you have any opinion, just put them down in the comment section and we will discuss it and learn something new. Yeah, so that is basically it. Yeah, so let's move on. Yeah, so with the surgical mask, it has two face. We have the blue face and we have the white face. The blue face is waterproof, so it does not absorb anything. If you cough, it won't absorb it. But the white face is not waterproof, so when you cough, it absorbs it, and that's the main purpose of this mask. You want it to absorb whatever we put in there, and later and it's a disposable one as well. I don't think we wash this. I don't know if I'm wrong, or if you don't make, you can write it in the comment section and let's share ideas or let's learn something new. But I feel like this is a disposable I feel like this is a disposable mask, so after using it you just throw it away and get a new one. Yeah, so actually this is how we wear the mask. We don't wear it with the blue side facing you, but we wear it with the white part facing you. And before you even wear it, there is this band. You have to check where the band is. There is a band. You can feel like when you hold it, you can feel like there is a band in here, and this is where it's supposed to come up and the other one down. Okay, so if you feel the marks, you can see that there is a band here, so this is where it's supposed to come up. So let me demonstrate it by wearing it for you to see. So let me pull my hair back and do the demonstration. So you put this here, then this is where the band is, so you press it into your nose, like the side of your nose. You press it, then you hold it like this and you put the elastic thing here, then you bring this down. So this is how like you wear the mask. So this is how the mask is worn. You have to let the band be here, and then you hold it there like that, and then you pull this down. And yeah, this is how you have to wear the surgical mask. Yeah, so this is how the surgical mask is worn basically. So it has really covered this side, so I don't think it will even move. Like for me to be touching my face and be doing this, it's very tight and I feel so comfortable in it. Yeah, so this is how basically it is worn. Okay, since you are done putting it on, I would also like to show how you remove the face mask. Yeah, and if you want to remove it, you remove it like this. You don't remove it from this side, you don't hold this side, or neither do you hold this side to remove it, because we don't have to touch the eye. So you go by removing it like this and removing it like that. Boom. Yeah, that is it. That is how you're supposed to remove your mask. I'm also going to demonstrate how people wear them wrongly. So this is how people wear the mask. People who wear the mask like this, it's a no-no. It's very wrong. This is not how to wear masks. Some others also wear it like this because they'll be talking to someone, and sis, that is the reason why you're wearing face masks. You don't want to spit something on someone's face, or you don't want to cough on someone's face. So why would you be talking and be wearing the mask like this, or you be in town and then please don't wear the mask. You be having the mask on like this and you are walking around, then please just put the mask somewhere and go like that, so that you'll be handled by the police. Right now, if you go out without the mask, you'll be handled by the police. Period. Some even wear it like this. They don't even pull it down here. Neither do they pull this up. They just place it this way. Sis, that's not how it is worn. This is the wrong way of wearing this face mask. Some people will move it like this. Please, that is not how to wear the surgical mask. So the right way is what I have taught you. So please, let's practice it, and it's going to really help us. So moving on to the other mask. Okay, so we move on to this mask. This mask is also available in Ghana, and people also wear this the most. So let's put it on. This actually even comes with the full cover at this side, but with this side, you see how low it is. The air or anything can enter. You get it? It's so loose, and then I think as you walk, it might be coming down from time to time, so you have to be pulling it up this way. So you have to be pulling it up always. You have to get something that is really tight up here. You have to get it, the one that can tie your nose like this. So that's why I have the blue one here. And please, some of them, the ear is very small, so you have to get the one that your ear can fit. Yeah, so this is the right mask. You see it's up here and it's tight on my face. Not really tight, but it holds my face, and the down here is also covered. You see? And you see how this place is really covered? Yeah, so this is how this mask is also worn. Please, let's buy the one that can hold our face very well, and not the one that is loose, that when we talk it will come down and we have to always be touching the mask. No, that's not the right way to do it. Yeah, so let me take it off. So these are the two masks that I can demonstrate at the moment, because that's what I have at the moment. And also this one is washable. You can wear it and wash them and put it back on, or you can buy like 5 for 5 days if you are going to work. If you go to work from Monday to Friday, you can buy like 5 and wear all to Friday. Then Saturday or Sunday you wash all of them, and then you wear it back on Monday and go to work. As easy as that. Or you can buy the surgical one, which is disposable. You wear it. You can buy the pack, you buy it, wear it, and throw it away and pick another one. Not forgetting, we have the one with the African print. The African one, I am told you're supposed to line the mask with like 3 lines so that it can absorb, or it prevents air from getting through. Yeah, so if you are someone who does face masks, homemade face masks, please, by the authorities, you are told to line the African print 3 times. Yeah, to prevent air from really getting into the mask. So yeah, that's basically it, and I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Please, if I do not make sense to you, please comment in the comment section, pour your opinion out, and let's all learn, because we are here to learn something. Yeah, so if you really enjoyed this video, why not give me a thumbs up, comment, share, because this is definitely educational and this is going to help someone. So please share, and what else, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, we are done. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire.